Hey everyone, welcome back to Wild Trail Survival. I'm Tom Archer. Today, we're going to explore the wilderness. Let's get started.
Day 1. The rainforest makes no concessions. The clock starts now. First battle, brute force against tangled undergrowth. No strategy, just grit. Humidity drains energy. Rain steals every chance for rest. Water's the jungle's first weapon. Everywhere, yet nothing safe. Sleep deprivation erodes focus. Ambition means nothing without discipline. Trap fails, knot unravels. This is nowhere near perfect. Rations dwindle. He divides the last tin. Half for him, half for Buddy.
The sharp, metallic clink of his tools became the soundtrack to his growing desperation. Everything needed to be sharper, harder, faster.
Digs a root, inspects, tosses it. Too risky. Stomach issues could kill me. I underestimated this place, Buddy. Grit isn't enough. It demands respect. The rainforest isn't a challenge, it's a sovereign demanding total respect. Quick fixes are over. To last 365 days, I need a fortress. Every bamboo cut is strategic, replacing chaos with structure.
Water security was the first major battle won. Transforming a vulnerability into an asset felt like true mastery.
Friction fire demands perfection. Humidity laughs at brute force. A tiny ember blooms. He whispers, "There it is." Traps now invisible, woven into the forest, not against it. Buddy growls. Shadows shift. The Shadow Fang is watching. Sky blackens. Not now, it's too early. Wind howls back. Roof collapses. Mud floods in. Back to zero, possibly starvation. The forest didn't test ambition. It tried to drown it. He cradles the soaked fire kit. If I lose fire, I lose everything. River Rock Hammer drives new posts. Resilience forged in mud and failure. Food stores ruined. Starvation shifts from fear to imminent reality. We move now, Buddy. Find what the forest hasn't taken. Hunger drives him deeper, silent, swift, every sense honed to the hunt's edge. First harvest, small crops, huge victory. Starvation recedes, hope takes root. Roof rebuilt, steep, smart, stormproof. Failure became the blueprint for resilience. A simple pot boils. Food tastes like triumph after true hunger's shadow. Tools elevated, fire secured. No more vulnerability, only foresight and discipline. Shelter now breathes with the forest, not against it, but as part of it. Structure stands firm, integrated, dry, unshaken. The jungle's test passed. Weeding, nurturing, not taking, but tending. Survival evolves into stewardship. Sharpening steel, sharpening mind. Precision replaces panic. Discipline reigns. Bamboo spikes woven into the edge. Security isn't hoped for, it's built. He touches his beard, hardened, changed. The old self shed in the mud. Buddy's head rests on his knee. Loyalty was the only constant. fire ritual, not hope, but certainty. A year of mastery in one setup. Ember blooms, flame surges, 365 days, fire in seconds. Final sunrise over the canopy. He stands, not broken, but unbreakable. Silhouetted against the jungle, no longer visitor, but sovereign of this realm. Fire burns steady now, not fought for, inherent, a quiet, earned truth. Camp breathes, shelter, farm, defense, harmony forged by relentless trial. Eyes meet, Tom and Buddy, witness and warrior, bond deeper than words. Backpack packed, only what was earned, tools forged in failure, honed in need.
I came here to survive 365 days. I ended up building a life I never want to leave.
They stepped forward, no hesitation. The challenge ended, mastery begins. Fluid, fast, fearless, he doesn't fight the jungle, he flows with it. He emerges, changed, calm, sovereign. 365 days, the forest student, now its master.
That's it for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next wild adventure. And see you on the next one.
Numbers on the chest, but the debt's my home.